Hello students, I am Pradeep Kumar. Now we are going to discuss on next topic. The topic is subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. What is subject and what is predicate? First is subject, and your subject is English. It's a coincidence. Subject and predicate. In last video, part 2, we discussed types of sentences, and in that we covered mostly 4 types of sentences: that trick, assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. So that's our recap. In that we covered 4 types of sentences, their examples, and we given n number of sentences with the collaboration with their types. Now come to the main topic. Today's topic is subject. What is subject? Subject, the term in which any name of person or a thing, the name of person or thing is known as subject. What is subject? I am a subject. My name is also subject. I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. See, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These are all subjects. We can say the name also. Ankush. This is also subject. Or a thing. Thing means anything. Duster. Light. Fan. These are things, non-living things. So subject means what? Whenever we are discussing, for example, if you are asking to your friend, Raj, can you come with me? So I am asking to Ram, can you come with me? So Ram is subject and me also is subject. The Maharana king defeated by Tipu Sultan. So in that example, 2 subjects are there, the Maharana king and the Tipu Sultan. So it's only example. In that, what we are going to see, we are directly or we cover this subject. See, subject means what? What we are discussing. What about we are discussing, that's a subject. What about means what? I am discussing about the English. We are discussing about Sita is studying English. Who is studying English? Sita. So Sita is subject. What studying? That is another matter. That is another part. So we are discussing only part 1. This is part 1 and this is part 2. So both the parts are correlated to each other, interdependent on each other. It means they are depends on each other. Both have the equal values. Without subject, the sentence is meaningless, and without information, that subject is also meaningless. So these two things are correlated with each other. So I given the list of subjects: I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. Then the name of particular thing. See, subject, part 1, part 2, and I given the list of things. These are also different things. So all of you understood that what is subject? Very simple in 2 words. Number 1, subject is a person. Second, subject is a thing. Third, subject is either or combination of person and thing. It's a both. Sometimes it's a combination of person and thing, but mostly subject means the person name or a particular thing. This thing, it may be the living or non-living, or it may be in any conditional or situational. Shaurya, bring the water bottle. Bring the water bottle, it's a part 2, but Shaurya is the subject. That is the subject, and now we are going to discuss the predicate. Predicate means what? Predicate means the information related with the subject, that is known as predicate. For example, Shankar is a doctor. Shankar is a doctor. What is subject? It is very easy. You can directly say, yes, sir, Shankar is a subject. Shankar is subject. Then tell me, what is predicate? In fact, this part 2 is a predicate. If I skip this part 2, is a doctor, and I said only Shankar, what does it mean? What is Shankar? Shankar is nothing, but he is a doctor. So that's why this is the predicate, and this is subject. In the exam, so many times this question arises in the written paper. See, identify the subject and identify the predicate. That's the predicate. What does it mean? Subject and predicate. This is lesson number 2. See, previously covered in the lesson number 1, types of sentences. And in that types of sentences, after in the lesson number 2, subject and predicate. What is subject? What is predicate? How question will ask in the exam, and what type of question? Very simple. In the exam, they will ask the question, underline the subject and underline the predicate. What is predicate? What is subject? Subject means the person name or a thing. And what is predicate? The information or the overall meaningful data given related with the subject. That overall information is known as predicate, and the whole information is associated with the particular person or a thing. That person or thing is known as subject. So once again, I hope you understood this concept, and also I assure that you can easily cover overall concept, that predicate and subject, subject and predicate. Sometimes in the question they will give the predicate first. The lot of mountains in the world, but the Himalaya is the highest one, peak mountain. In that case, first part is predicate and second part is subject. So you always keep in touch with the sentence, or you always study this type of sentence, either subject at first or maybe sometimes at the last, predicate at the first, or maybe in some cases at the last. So these two things are there, you balance it and you enjoy with the subject and predicate. Once again, you go thoroughly through this topic. If any query, question, doubt, then you comment me and you share this video with your friends, with all students, and you follow this channel. My channel is Jai Guru Academy. Thank you all of us.